Okay, hello everyone. Here is Bayu Laksana. Okay, so I will explain about how to upgrade my prototype on Invision. So the first thing that I will need to tell you that in Invision, my prototype has low fidelity prototype. So as you can see on the screen like this, there are 8 screens with very simple design, less color and white. Alright, so let's start the journey. The first page that you'll be on the first visit is this page, landing page. Okay, this is the landing page. So yeah, just like another landing page, it shows you the information about the core of the websites. Yeah, and the general information. So there are the navbar here, the big tags, the two buttons, login and sign up. This will be the illustration, and yeah, that is all. Okay, now let's just do a login. Okay, so here it is, the login forms. I need to tell you that this form is not located at different page, but it is located at the same page. This login form is shown with the overlay mechanism. So you still on the same page after all. Okay. There are two input, username and password as usual. And from this page you can also go to the sign up, which is this page, create an account. And if you forgot your password, you can just tap here. Okay, let's just assume this forms is filled with my username and my password. Let's just do a login. Alright, this is the page that you will visit after you log in. It's another landing page but with different layout. So it's basically for logged in users. This will be the illustration and this text is just for reading. This is the button for basic problems and yeah, just like usual. So let's just go with the problem place. We can click in basic problem or in the problems here located at the navigation bar. Just let's do this. Okay, so this is the problem place. Now it provided with this search bar and the text list is now located at the very top. So you can see it immediately. Yeah. Oh, and also this find a tag form. You can search a tag from here. Okay, this is a table that the problems will be listed, and in our task script we choose the game store. Okay, now we are in the problem description page. So as any like others online judge, problem description page commonly consists of description like this, and then we have my submission to show you about your submission on those on that problem, and status and ranking, but I'm not making this two links, so choose description and my submission. So yeah, the change here that the information about the problem, like the time limit, memory limit, search limit, and resource is now located at the very top. Again, This will make you immediately, you can see it. You can see it immediately. Alright, just like another. After you read the problems, like you know how to solve it, now you can pick the submit. Okay, now this is the submit page. So it has different layouts from the original UI on the website. Now it's more informative, like this drop downs is intended for users to choose language. Now it provided by this tags choose language, and then you can also choose between uploading your file or just write your code here. Assuming that we already have the code and upload it, so let's just submit. Okay, here's the thing. Typically, many online jobs tends to redirect you after submit to your submission on the problems to see the result there, or it redirected to a global submission list. But here in this case, I redirect it at my submission because it it makes sense that your submission will be judged and you're gonna wait the result in your page. That makes sense. Okay, this is the my submission page. It has different design. So we are not using tables, but rather we are using lists with uh, with description in it, detail, like the title. You can view your source code from this link, and then this is the runtime, this is the memory you achieve, and this is the result. So much simple than the original design. So we've done everything. From the first, we log in and then try to find a problem, and then try to find a tag, and then read the problem and submit the problem. No, I mean submit the solution of the problem using language, upload or write your code, and then uh, looking the you're looking the submission history of that problem and try to figure it out how to see your source code. We've done that for this session. So that's all I think that I can explain to you about how to operate this prototype. Thank you for your attention. See you on the next prototype.